But yeah, good morning. Highly recommend bringing binoculars if you're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Because there's a giraffe back there, there's another animal back there. Then we got this little guy sleeping down there. Weather is a little nicer today. We found an animal right by our window or balcony. Also, there's a bunch of turkeys walking over here too. I feel like behind that, but look at this guy. Once again, we did not pay for a Savannah view. Look at what we got. Good morning. It's our last day, but we're gonna have a fun last day. We're gonna go do a lot of stuff. We've already had a great morning looking at the animals outside, which was really cool. But yeah, it's our last day. Honestly, this is a 4-night trip. It actually has felt really long for being a 4-night trip. I'm not mad at it. I'm enjoying it. Like yesterday I was like content and I was like, this has been a really nice trip. And then I was like, wait, we still got one more day left.
I think a lot of it's doing nighttime stuff as well.
Yeah, we stayed up late last night. I didn't film any of it. I'm sorry. I did not do a great job with that. But we did the extended evening hours at Epcot yesterday, which was great. I've heard not the best things about it. I think Magic Kingdom and Hollywood are better for the evening hours. But we had a great time. We got to the park at like 7-ish. And we walked around. We got some Festival of the Arts stuff. Yesterday was the last day of Festival of the Arts. The tomato soup, it was freezing yesterday. The tomato soup hit the spot. It was so good. Cornell got the beef Wellington. And that was actually really good. You also got something else. I don't remember what the other thing was. Well. Oh, the short ribs.
Oh, yeah.
Short ribs from Germany. I did not actually get to try that one. But then we had an hour till the park closed for the evening hours. So we actually went back to Nine Dragons to sit down for an hour before the park closed.
Just because, we knew there was going to be no wait or the most minimal wait compared to everything else.
True, and all the rides already had a long wait, so we actually had a much better experience this time than the last time. Our waiter was great.
Park. Shout out to Park.
He was great, but it was actually pretty good. And then we went and rode Frozen. And then we went and rode Test Track, and then we rode Guardians twice, all within 2 hours. So it was actually pretty great. Yeah, it was a good night. But now it's our last day. We're making some coffee, maybe with some alcohol in it. We brought alcohol this trip. We checked a bag because we thought, we'll make some drinks at night. We were never here at night to make drinks, so we have to drink some of it. But it's our last day. We're going to drink lots of water today too. So I think we're starting our day off at Hollywood Studios. So come join us. Let's see what we get to do in our last day of this trip. We made it to Hollywood. I really want that sweater. I really want that sweater. But yeah, we made it to Hollywood. I did actually just buy Lightning Lanes, Genie Plus. Big part of today is we want to ride Rockin Rollercoaster. So I did actually get a fast pass for right now. So that's exciting. I'm not sure what we'll use the rest on, but when you book fast passes, you can book 3 at a time. And then you can, after you use the first one, you can make other ones at other parks. So after we check in at Rockin Rollercoaster, we might make a different fast pass. That's exciting. Now we can chill a little bit, knowing we can definitely ride Rockin Rollercoaster. All right, I just got off Tower of Terror, so now we're gonna play a game called Where's Cornell? Because this is one ride he hates. I love this ride. And then later today, we're gonna ride one of his favorite rides, or he's gonna ride one of his favorite rides that I dislike. So taking a little bit of turns. I was able to get this fast pass while I was in line for Rockin Rollercoaster. So the key to Lightning Lanes is you kind of have to be on your phone a lot and just re-scrolling it to something will pop up eventually, and it popped up, so we're gonna go try to find him. He sent me some photos over here, I think. But that was a really fun ride. There was some kids on it who started crying at the end because they were like, is there any more drops? It was so funny. Okay, I found him. Oh, he got some food. I see you got something. Oh, chicken tenders? Of course.
They have aioli something on them.
Oh yeah, they have like new chicken tenders everywhere. All right, fun. I think Cornell went to go get another snack. He just got up. He got in the line somewhere. But yeah, I'm trying to make more fast passes. I'll show you what it kind of looks like. Oh, I gotta change this to my phone. I don't know how well this will work. But you can have 3 fast passes at a time. So like right now I have this afternoon, I have Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron. That's different though. I did buy that for him. And then I have 2 tonight. But what I'm gonna do is, I keep trying, I wanna get an earlier Millennium Falcon. That's what I'm trying to do. So you can just like refresh this page and then you can see if the time changes and then if there's something else that might pop up, because like I'm okay with Toy Story Mania or Mickey and Minnie's, but so far the time's not working for me right yet because we do need to go to Magic Kingdom around 2. So anything before 2 is what I'm trying to find. But yeah, let's see what snack Cornell's grabbing, because I really have no idea. So one thing to note is either with fast passes, I can try to stack for tonight and have a bunch later, or whatever is soon. That's what I'm trying to do. So far I've been lucky. We've done 2 fast passes so far, and I only booked one of those originally. So yeah, wish me luck to see what we can get. Oh my goodness, look what he brought back. A little cute, pretty dessert. That actually looks really good. I think it's pork belly. Ooh. All right. Oh, can I see nice hazard? Review of that food. It was like a pork belly bowl with mashed potatoes. It was actually pretty good. It was pretty good. It had a lot of meat on it. Cornell said it was kind of expensive. It was like $16.
Yeah, for what it is, I guess it would kind of be expensive, but it's not big good.
I'm trying to.
It was still really good. I enjoyed it. I probably wouldn't get it again.
See, important. He would not get it again. It smelled really good. I think the pork belly was good. The dessert was very rich. It was like chocolate and cherry. I actually don't love cherry. I didn't hate it. It was good. It was a fun little surprise. All right, we're at one of my favorite places. We're at Baseline. I got this pretzel again. This was so good last time with the beer cheese, since Cornell got his own fun special treat. I got this. Cornell got a gin and tonic, and he has single or double. He got a double. How much do you think is actually gin in there?
Like that much?
Is what it looked like. I got a beer flight again, but I did get 2 different beers, so I'm excited. This is one of my favorite places. I don't know how well you can hear me. I'm at Tron and the music's very loud, but I got my mic up. There it is. This is that one ride that I hate. Cornell loves it. I got him a fast pass for it for Valentine's Day, so he's on that. But yeah, we got to ride Tomorrowland Speedway. That was our 3rd fast pass that we got. But yeah, it's been a fun day. I might cut this video now might cut this video now because we gotta leave tomorrow. I might have a dinner. I'm not sure, but thanks for watching. Comment down below what rides you hate and won't ride, because I will not ride Tron. I feel like I'm gonna fall out, and that's why I won't ride it. But he loves it. He loves motorcycles and all that. It'd be cool if I can try to catch him on it, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching this trip. We had fun.